If you always do what you have always done, you always get what you have always got. What I'm trying to convey is that the situation of your life right now is by the action that you did or by the action that you do every single day. Well, whether you are a millionaire, whether you are a billionaire, whether you are not rich, whether you are passing through the bad situation of your life, is by the action that you did or by the action that you do every single day. Well, some people ask me like, now, what can I do to change the life of situation that I'm passing through right now? It's very simple and straightforward. You just need to be taking new action. Then you get the different results. So, people ask me like, now, what are those actions that I need to be start taking? Self-development, brother. You need to be start developing yourself, mentally strong. Reading a book, even just 10 minutes, learning new skill. If editing, you need to start editing. If you want to learn about copywriting, start reading about copywriting. All those things, you need to start doing the things that you haven't done, and you get the different result, brother. You win. So it's very simple and straightforward.
Yeah, so if your life is not good right now, you are passing through the bad situation, you need to start doing the things that you are not doing. But if you are doing the same things that you are doing, your life will remain the same. So if you want to change your life, you want to become successful, you want to achieve all your goals, you need to change what you are doing and start doing the new things that will lead you to success. We have seen a lot of people, for them to become successful, they change what they were doing. If you want to become successful, change what you are doing. If you are just scrolling on TikTok right now, if you are scrolling right now on YouTube and you find this video, you are just scrolling for no reason, stop scrolling. Why? Because you are scrolling for no reason, and you are scrolling and you are going to end up poor and broke, because you have ended up poor and broke, and you are still going to end up poor and broke because you are still doing the same result and you are still doing the same thing. So if you want to change your life, you want to become successful, you want to become rich, you want to change your situation, you want to become successful, you need to start doing the things you were not doing. Start developing some new habits and start developing some new skills that you are doing. New things, brother. Start doing some new things and stop doing some old habits you are doing, because the old habits that you are doing are the same habits that have led you to not become successful, are the same habits that have led you for the life that you are living right now. So if you want to change your life, you want to become successful, just don't need to be doing what you were doing or the same habits you are doing. No, change the habit you were doing and develop some new habit for you to get other result that will lead you to success. So that's it, guys. That's what you need to be doing and you'll become successful. So you just need to develop some new skills. If your bad habits or your bad deeds are not making you to become successful, achieve your goals, stop doing those habits and develop new ones, because they will lead you to success. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. If you want to appreciate us, you can just subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can like the video. You can even comment, guys. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much.